Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my voice, I'm a little bit sick. For today's vlog, we're gonna be off-roading. I'm here with Leslie. She's back from college for the weekend, and little dude Noah. Say hi.
Hi. We're gonna go off-roading.
Where's Dad? Dad's over there. I personally don't really like off-roading that much because I'm a really big scary cat. So every little thing I'm like, oh my god. Sorry, I get really scared, but also too because the drive over there is just, I get really car sick. So that's like one thing I don't like, but being on the edge of a cliff just creeps the F out of me. So that's like one thing I don't like about it. But my favorite thing about it though is just being out in the nature and seeing all like the mountains and all the beautiful scenery. That's my favorite part for sure. But let's see how today goes. So we're gonna insert some clips of us off-roading, so I hope you guys enjoy the little montage, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. What are you doing?
Airing up the tires. So we're going back home.
Did you have fun off-roading?
It's pretty awesome.
I'm sorry for last night that we didn't close out the video. We ended up just coming home and I just didn't feel good. I got car sick, I had a headache. It was just, yeah, it was not the best night. So today's Sunday now, and where are we gonna go, Noah? Where are we going?
Ryan's game.
Where?
Ryan's game.
We're gonna go to my nephew Ryan's, what is it, soccer game or a baseball game?
No, it's my nephew.
It's not your nephew, that's my nephew, that's your cousin.
No, that's my cousin.
Yeah, he's your cousin and he's my nephew.
Okay.
Oh, I guess we're gonna go to his baseball game, so we'll see you guys over there.
See you guys over there.
I got that on video, dude.
Don't hit me in the head.
What is that, Noah?
Harvey does some ninja moves.
He does. Look, he's looking at you like, woo! Aww.
Do it, do it.
Hi! Hi! Aww. You're funny.
Make a funny face, bud. Make him laugh.
Keep doing it, keep doing it. You have to say peekaboo though, so they can hear you.
Peekaboo.
Like that. Keep doing it.
Peekaboo.
Aww. What are you singing?
Bamberino, just like you.
So where are we going now? Home? Home?
But we're
Home?
going to puppet store.
Where?
Puppet store.
This store?
The pet store, you mean? Well,
Jalapeno.
I actually want to go to my mother's house.
So don't or you do?
I do. Should we call her?
When are you gonna go grocery?
Oh! You did that on purpose. You totally did that on purpose. Hi. Creo que sí. Por esta hablaba. Okay. Okay. Love you too. Bye. Hi. What are you eating?
Candy?
A Mexican paleta?
Hmm?
Is that a Mexican paleta?
It's
When we bought this car, it came with a CD, so this has been Noah's Jams. Sing it.
I don't ever want to see you with him.
look at my feet.
Ew, they're stinky. I smell them. You're funny. You're a funny guy.
Are you happy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm happy. Where are we going?
To your parents?
My parents? Who's my parents?
Papi Chima and Mommy Nana.
Oh, you're right. You got that right, dude. You got that right. So our day has actually been really busy. We intended to go to church, but Hans went to get a haircut and he decided to go at 11, so he didn't get back on time for us to go to church at 12. And we went to visit Hans's grandma from Mexico. She's here. So now we're gonna go visit my parents. And we still need to go grocery shopping, but I don't think that's gonna happen because it's already 7. We're actually home right now because he needed a jacket.
And Daddy is getting my shoes.
Oh yeah, and this guy is obsessed with his running shoes. And he didn't want his Vans anymore, so he wanted to change into his running shoes. So we're putting his Nikes on him. Oh look, there he is.
My Nike shoes.
Ah, you got him! Now put him on.
Which one goes on this one?
That one doesn't go on that foot, it goes on the other one.
It does go on this one.
Oh, Tia Liz is leaving back to college today. Bye!
I'm leaving.
Drive safe.
Thanks.
Bye.
Oh,
Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
I like your Dodger shirt.
they're playing together.
Short girl probs. And of course, we gotta get some yogurts. And of course. Okay guys, so that is the end of the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry it was all over the place. So yeah, it is about 9:30. I have to go pay for all these things and go get ready for bed because I have a meeting tomorrow at 8. So yeah, like always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.